Hi! In front of me is ZTE AXON 20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Sound. Then you can click on Sound Mode right away and set up Vibrate by clicking on it. This way you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Now you can also click on this sweater next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. Then scroll down. You can also click on this sweater next to Switch to Silent Vibrate to enable or disable pressing the power button and volume up to switch to vibrate mode. Lastly, scroll all the way down and tap on those two sweaters next to Charging Sounds and Vibration and Touch Vibration to disable or enable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!